Alright, it's me, Chris, and I'm showing that this is a segmented piece and it has a cross break. So, cross break was put here out to the one side of the segment's corners. Then you got another side over here that's a female connector. And it breaks from the corner all the way to the middle. 90-degree breaks. The 3-inch flange around it. Each one of them has a drip edge that runs along the side here and here. And it is a female connector here and then a male connector here. These two pieces go together and that cross break will be a big X. This one's getting preliminary markings. This is a male 1 3/8 notch out. Runs up to 3-inch flange here. 1 3/8 inch all the way up here. Another 3-inch there. And each one of these has a drip edge 45 degree that points down. Then the cross break that's going to go to the middle, or actually from here to there on both sides. And that's the nature of this beast today. Bye.